Hello and thank you for enrolling in our course, Helpdesk for Professionals. In this course, we are going to learn, practice, and master what's needed to be a professional helpdesk technician. So the first question, why Helpdesk? Because simply, it's your introduction to the IT world, mainly operating systems. Because if you want to be a professional systems administrator, you need to master these skills, so you build up your career from a solid ground. Another great reason to get into the helpdesk world is that almost every single company, small, medium, or enterprise, need helpdesk services, so you're not forced to a single type or size of a company, and you can apply to all sorts of companies, which can get you hired anywhere. Let's see what we are going to discuss here in this course. We will start by learning how we can create a bootable Windows flash drive and see how we can install Windows on a machine. We will use Windows 10. But almost the same exact steps for all other operating systems. We will also see how to prepare the machine after that for the user. The following section covers the network part, where we will see what is DNS and DHCP, troubleshoot network problems, and learn some basic commands that will help you in troubleshooting. And also these commands will make you appear like a hacker for non-IT people. After that, we will move to discuss printers, types, terminologies, drivers installation, and of course basic troubleshooting to see how we can solve some problems when they occur. The fourth section will be a quick but very important one, which covers Active Directory, how to manage users there, and settings folders permission based on Active Directory users. And next we will see two tools and two websites that will help you a lot in doing some tasks faster, easier, and more professionally. The last section will be about hardware. We will uncover the PC from inside and see how it works, what parts are there, and some troubleshooting basics that you must know, and we will also talk about hardware upgrade. When you complete the course, you will have much more information that will help you in your career. You will do better in your next interview, and you will complete your tasks much faster, because you will learn the best practices that any helpdesk technician need. Are you ready for that? Also do us. So let's begin.